Hey guys, thank you for showing interest in the upcoming shoulder pain and rotator cuff seminar hosted by myself, Dr. Garza, along with my wife, Dr. Amy Garza, and we're going to have a special guest, Dr. Ross Chapel, the only fellowship-trained orthopedic upper extremity specialist in the Rio Grande Valley. Now you're probably wondering, what is this seminar about? What am I going to learn? Well, here's what you're going to learn. You're going to learn 3 common causes of shoulder pain. You're also going to learn, how to treat and heal your shoulder pain without injections, medications, surgery. And you're also going to learn the number one biggest mistake that people make in dealing with any type of pain. And then Dr. Ross Chapel is going to talk about some orthopedic interventions that may be available to those that have maybe tried all kinds of, interventions for the shoulder pain and just never got better. Now, for the first 10 people that come, we're going to give away 10 free laser treatments. Okay, we're also going to have food and beverages provided. So if you're dealing with shoulder pain and just can't get rid of it, and you're looking for a solution, then you definitely want to sign up to this seminar. Just enter your information on the box to the side. Somebody from our office will call to confirm your registration, and we'll see you here.